Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. So today we're going to do a little facelift in the laundry room. So if you guys are excited to see what we do to this little space, you guys stay tuned. So if you watched the video that was before this one, you know that we took out those two upper cabinets in this laundry space and we put them in the pantry. So I wanted to make sure that we finished actually tackling the laundry room. The whole idea for taking out those two cabinets all stemmed from me just wanting more space in this laundry room. And we've had the laundry room for about 3 years like it was before we moved these cabinets. And it was totally fine. I loved it. We could reach everything. But like I told you guys before, the two cabinets we definitely were not using, and I kind of wanted more space because I truly want to fold my laundry right when I take it out the dryer, because if you like me, I have a hard time putting up my clothes once I take them out the dryer and I take them to my closet. So here, what I've been doing since I've done this is folding my laundry right on the top of the table, and I love that. The first task that I actually had to do was to fill in the holes that were behind here from the initial tear down, or whatever you want to call it. And fun fact, you guys, you can use toothpaste to fill in holes and to just paint over it, because that's what I did. I sanded it down first, and then I just used some toothpaste, which is just the toothpaste I use, and I just filled in the holes because we didn't have any caulk at this time and nobody felt like going to Lowe's or Home Depot, and it actually works just fine. I've always used it, so it wasn't a problem to us.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. In my goat like in I like it. You know I'm down with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams generation. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart, I'm a slave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and act like nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. Just get ready for work, 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 work. Baby, don't you leave, don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. You have to work, 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 work. Send me if you work, 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 work. See me do me da 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 da. Saw me put in work, 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 work.
The paint that I'm using is just the same paint color that's on our walls throughout the house. And I've got a lot of questions on the color. And you guys, honestly, I can't even find the color. Even that little jar that I have sitting on there, I took it to Lowe's with a sample of something and they just matched it. So what's on the top here is just numbers. So I wouldn't even know what to tell you guys. So I am sorry if you guys want to know the colors of our walls throughout our house, but I just do not know and I wish I did.
Don't give that away to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to be done, 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 done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I've got guys trying to end me, oh. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spent some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all that. Now you need to forward and give me all that.
Work, 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 work. Work, 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 work.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone and I really wish you'd just pick up.
If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love to DIY a lot of projects, and this is one of them. When we originally did it, there used to be a clothes bar all the way across from this wall here to the one on the other side of that cabinet, and we got that cabinet even from Lowe's. Just look at the front of the cabinet doors. I love the way the doors look. It's not like some cheap looking cabinets. They are really good quality cabinets. And I think I said earlier I will try to link it. I will definitely try to find it because these are really good cabinets to put in certain spaces.
To you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Pick up.
I definitely have to get some of those rubber things to go up under the tabletop so it won't slide so much. But I love having this on there because I don't want it to be permanent where we can't move it, because I change my mind a lot. So I like to move things around, change things up. I mean, I just change my mind too much to have things really stabilized somewhere. So I try not to do that if I don't have to.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh.
Because the laundry room is not that wide, I try to make sure I utilize all the wall space that we have in here, and I think I do a pretty good job of it. But that is one of the reasons why I wanted to take those two cabinets out of here so I can lift that other cabinet and just make it open, and it did just that.
On your mind forever, ever. Nice, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you juggle.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you.
Oh my gosh, this little picture about kicked my butt. It took me forever to hang this picture up. The funny thing is, my husband had to go to work, so he had already put the nails in the wall for me, measured everything. All I had to do was put it on there. Don't ask me, okay? I did my best, but this is why I need my husband here, because I could not get this thing on there. It's just the way the back of those little nail holes was made in this picture. You put it on and then you kind of slide it just a little bit, if you guys know what I mean. But this thing about kicked my butt.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Watching the moon rise and cannot ignore what's cool. How you been doing? You sleeping alright? I worry it's serious to wake you up at night. You know why, just don't know why. At the same time.
Alright guys, so hopefully while you guys were watching the video, you got some ideas, you got some tips on something that you can do in your next project. And I just appreciate you guys so much for clicking on my channel, especially if you're still here at the end watching the video. To all my new subscribers, I want to say welcome and thank you for clicking that subscribe button. To all my old subscribers, you guys, I love you as usual. And until the next video, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.
Alright.